Hey, you know what? Enter Night, people. God damn! That is drinkable.
I've been trying to act cool and calm all afternoon. I don't know if I'm fooling anybody but myself, but we are here backstage with the band, and these guys are treating us like old friends. I mean, it's awesome how warm and welcoming, and you know, James was explaining how he'd been researching about our company and telling me how he thinks that what we're doing is really cool and there's a lot of parallels. And how is James Hetfield doing that? But we're back here. We're introducing Enter Night for the very first time, and it is really exciting. Oh, people.
What exactly does it entail?
And to quote Mr. Lars Ulrich, Enter Night, people. God damn. Well, here we are. How cool is this? We're backstage with a band for the first ever release of Enter Night Pilsner.
This comes from you.
Well, it's a team effort.
No, it's a team effort. Where's Steve?
Where's Steve? There's
Steve. Hey, Steve.
Hey.
Okay, some backstory. You see, earlier this year, we got contacted from the band's management, and they were telling us that the band was interested in making a beer, and okay, that sounded really cool. And by the way, Metallica.
Yeah, so the spirits in here are good.
Yes. Hell yeah, the spirits are good. In fact, the spirits are awesome, and the spirit of this band and the coming together is just meant to be. And we have spent so much time together building this all out and creating this beer, the branding, everything about it is very much a team effort.
But Steve, what do you have to say about all this?
I'm at a loss for words just being here with you guys.
We'll just have a sip. Hey, wait. Cheers. Cheers. All right. Cheerio. Cheers, you guys.
Cheers. Cheerio.
Cheers, everybody.
All right, this was an amazing night. But let's go back a couple of months to Copenhagen. Me and Lars, we meet for the first time.
Hey, I'm Lars.
Hi, Greg here.
What's happening?
We're in beautiful Copenhagen. Here, I'll give you a quick look around. There you go. Lars
Look at that. It's a beautiful day. We've just come from an incredible lunch of herring and mackerel. You're never too far away from a pickled fish in this country.
The real thing is we're here to talk about beer.
That's right. We can't wait to share this with all the beer drinkers out there, and all the music lovers, and all the lovers of all good things in life. And hope you're thirsty out there.
I am. And all this talking is making me thirsty,
Let's
by the
go.
way. Yeah. Okay, well, so we're going to peel off. We're going to have a beer. We're going to get into more discussion, but we wanted to give you a word here from Copenhagen in the early part of the conversation. First time Lars and I met.
This is it.
We're getting along all right.
That is so stoned!
All right, I'm going to teach you guys the Arrogant Consortia Metallica Enter Night toast. It's very simple. Please pay close attention. Here's to me.
Here's to me.
Okay, let's go back a couple weeks from here, though, to Lars's house, where we met up to talk about beer, drink some beer, and enjoy the final version of Enter Night Pilsner. It's fun to drink beer with friends. Cheers.
Hey, you know what? Enter Night, people. God damn! That is drinkable. And it's definitely past midnight, so it's officially nighttime, right? And we're drinking beers.
Yes.
And living large and enjoying not just the company, but the beverages.
Okay.
And we
Play
have
by play here.
we've taken a trip. We have taken a trip through the history of Stone.
Basically, I was doing a beer education, going through the classic Stone IPA. We did some. There you go.
We did a little of the old
Decant, yeah.
stout there.
Yeah. Ooh.
Take
big
that
hit.
one with
Big
you.
hit. Yeah. Yeah.
Big hit.
Yeah.
The OG Stone IPA, I love. So OG and new OG,
Okay.
Metallica OG, right there.
That's right. Enter Night.
Our stories are so similar. Okay, we live on the fringes, outside of the main. We live on the fringes outside of the mainstream, and we just
came from there.
We came from the fringes. Okay, and then the mainstream came to us. Was that the conclusion
Rock
that
on.
we came
I
to?
got a toast to that. Yeah.
Okay, there you go.
And all of you guys that said, by the way, that crazy shit you guys are doing, we like it too. Cheers, guys.
Over and out.
Lars and his team came down to Escondido, showed them around the bistro. We, of course, sat down and all broke bread together, and then we showed them around the brewery.
Make a toast to our new blended family.
Okay.
Cheers.
Cheers. Cheers.
It's probably not surprising, but there's a lot of Metallica fans on our team. Lars is saying hey, hanging out, drinking beer. Hey, that's what it's all about. So the block party is mostly over, the release of the Enter Night, and all the fans have gone into the stadium for the show, but there's going to be a couple of hangers on at the last minute, and Lars is going to go out and maybe ask a question or two about how they like the beer. Well, come on then! Hey, where's the people drinking the Enter Night? It was all gone. Everybody had the leftover beers of the other brands because this was gone. So
That's a good
sign.
That's a good sign.
That's a good sign.
Okay. So we're gonna do the come on, try it. Do the come on, do your thing.
Okay. Enter Night, people. God damn. We're here backstage, and Metallica's going on right while they're on, and we're gonna go up right next to the stage. We were invited in the chute, as they say. So come on along with us. I want you to know you're here with us in our hearts, in our minds, and you're probably just going, yeah, fuck you guys right now. And I understand. Follow along. Enter Night, people.
All right, over and out. It's great hanging with you guys. You got it all safe.
Thank you. I'll see you in a
All
couple
right,
of
nice
months.
to meet you.
Yeah.
All right. See you guys.
So Lars invited me over to his house because he wanted Rob to be able to experience the same epic tasting that I'd done with him a couple of months earlier.
Okay. And now, Robert Trujillo.
Oh, yeah. Enter Night, people. Goddamn. Well, this is really great.
And at one point, Lars suggested, hey, you know, I've got some industrial beers that have been left over in my fridge from something else, I don't know. Somebody brought them over. And he said, let's see how they compare. So we have 4 random, and they are actually quite random, industrial beers. There's a couple from Mexico, and there's a couple from the United States. Just select randomly. It does not matter which one you choose. But they are all different, but they are all the same.
Okay, I already know I don't like mine.
So,
Because it's.
All right.
all right, you ready?
Here,
Just
here we
taste
go.
it.
You're gonna taste the industrial one.
Oh!
Hang on.
It doesn't. I think you can tell from the expressions on their faces just how those beers compare.
Mine was worse than yours, right?
Yeah.
Wait, which one?
Yeah, okay.
No, it's really
Yeah,
undrinkable.
No,
6 months ago, there was a pickled herring party in Copenhagen. Now, in San Francisco, you know what it is? It's Enter Night, people. God damn.